Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss about why learning new skill is important in our life. So we will discuss about this lesson, this topic with the help of motivational story. So first I'm going to tell you a motivational story, then we will discuss about this topic, why it is so much important. Okay, learning, it's a wonderful way you can achieve, you can enhance your confidence. So we will discuss about everything, but before I am going to tell you a motivational story. So before getting into the story, I would like to say you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. Okay, so watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. But before getting into the topic, I would like to say you, telling a motivational story, it's a wonderful method to enhance your English, to enhance your pronunciation level, to enhance your vocabulary. So please try to tell a motivational story, not every day. Okay, if you get some time, so please try to tell a motivational story within 2 or 3 days. Okay, so the story goes like this. Once upon a time, there lived a Jain master with his disciple. After some time, another disciple joined them. Another disciple learned much more than the first disciple in a little time. The first disciple noticed and felt neglected by his master. So one day he went to near his master and said, "Sir, I have been studying with you since that boy came here. Still, you taught them more than me. Why?" So the master remained silent for a while and said, "First, listen to a story, then I will give you answer." So the first disciple agreed. So the story goes like this. Once a traveler was going on his way, and it was afternoon time. He did not have water with him. He felt thirsty. So he looked all around. Then he found a well, but there was no bucket and rope to bring out water from that well. So he moved on without drinking water. After some time, another traveler passed from there. It was also afternoon time and he felt thirsty. He looked into the water. He found a well and he looked into the water. He saw that there was no bucket and rope to bring out water from the well. So he looked all around. After some time, he found a bucket, but there was no rope. So he started looking around, but he finding a green grass nearby, growing green grass nearby. So he started uprooting that grass to make a rope out of it. In a short while, a long rope was ready. With the help of that rope, he quenched his thirst. He drew some water and quenched his thirst, and he left. Then the master asked the first disciple, "Now, according to you, which traveler was more thirsty?" So the disciple immediately replied, "Sir, second traveler was more thirsty because he tried to bring out water to quench his thirst." So the second traveler was more thirsty. So the master smiled and said, "Yes, you are right. The second traveler was more thirsty because he worked hard to quench his thirst. And that is the same, his thirst for knowledge. That is the same that another disciple, his thirst for knowledge is more than you. So he worked hard. And he worked hard to fulfill his knowledge. But you don't." So the first disciple got his answer, and from that day on, he started working hard and started studying. So if we see in our life, so we will find that the moral of this story is that we have to do effort for finding something that we want to learn. Okay, without doing any effort, without making any effort, we can't learn any new skill, because learning, it's a lifelong process. Learning, it's a thing that it is a quality of successful man. Every successful man have a quench of thirst, have a quench of knowledge. Their innate desire to gain knowledge, and for this they wanted to achieve, they wanted to enhance their quality. Learning is not for those people who is looking to any job or any skill, but it is important for those people who had already successful in their life. Okay, so learning, it's a beautiful thing. It's a quality that we have to achieve, that we have to adopt that quality, because with the help of learning we can increase our knowledge, we can increase our confidence. Okay, and every time when we are trying to learn any new skill, so what happened, our stress level is going to down, because we can divert our mind to learn any new skill. Okay, so for this you have to learn English speaking skill, because this is also a wonderful skill, and with the help of this skill you can connect with people all over the world. You can know their desire, their like, dislike, their heritage, their food, their whatever you want to do something, whatever you want to do conversation. With the help of conversation you can know their heritage, their knowledge, their culture. So it's a wonderful language, it's a wonderful skill. So please try to learn this skill, and for the learning this skill you have to do, you have to give your effort. Okay, so it's a wonderful way. Please try to learn this language, and don't give up. If you have already taken a decision to learn this language, then please don't give up. It's a wonderful skill. Please keep patience and do consistent, be consistent. With the help of consistency you can achieve whatever you want to learn. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.